Hey guys, CMY Siren Boy here. In today's video, this could be a different video. I'm going to show you how to wire up an AR timer or AF timer. But I have an AR timer. If it was an AF timer, it would say AF down here and have an extra button right here. So the tools you're going to need is an AR timer, of course, flathead screwdriver, and a power cord. And get some lugs like that for this. So yeah, let's begin. First, open up your AR timer. And also make sure that there's a jumper wire right here. Make sure there's a jumper wire right here. If not, then your timer will not work. So next step you'll have to do is make sure that your lugs are nice, and I use these ones because they fit easier in the timer. Then you want so the green is your ground, and then your black is your neutral, white's your live. So what I do is unscrew this screw. Move it to. Oh, wrong. Oh, where's the? There it is. So it might take a while since I'm filming this, since I normally do it easier without not filming, since I have my tripod in my way. Oh, ground's not connected. And also special thanks to the YouTube user Cool Domino for helping me wire the AR timer. I will leave his channel name or channel in the description. Look at your ground connected. So you can either put your live and neutral on screws 8 and 9. If you were wiring up to 240, you would wire it up to 9 and 7. Hit an AF timer, you wire them up to 10 and 9. So I'm just gonna unscrew these screws. And also, if my face does show, I'm not gonna blur it because you guys already seen my face in my other friends' videos and even in my videos as well. So there you go, your AR timer is officially wired. Then you just grab your power cord right here and your extension cord right here. You plug them in And now your light's on. So test does nothing, cancel does nothing, alert, light comes on. Oh, well, just turned back on since, don't know how to wire up to cancel. And then attack, cancel. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, feel free to comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Oh, and also a side note, do not touch the inside of this when it's wired or when it's plugged in, because you do not want to get shocked by 120 or 240. Alright, bye guys.